What is going on, beautiful people of YouTube? It's Crazy Gaming Monkey here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to implement your Discord into your Xbox. This is the newest and latest method so far of 2023, so if you had trouble with it before, I'm going to go ahead and cover what you need to do now to be able to enable it, or even if it's your first time, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to put your Discord onto your Xbox. And as always, I hope you have an amazing day today. Hope your week is amazing, and let's get started. So what you want to do first is you want to go to your settings and you want to go down to where it says device and connections, and you want to go to remote features. So right here you want to go ahead and make sure that this is enabled. So sometimes if you had trouble before, you could go ahead and enable this and it should also be good. So it's going to go ahead and test your setup. So just give it a few seconds, and once that's running, then you should be set on to the next step. And next step, what you could be doing is you want to make sure that you have the Xbox app downloaded, as well as your so there you go. So now it's enabled. So you want to have the Xbox app downloaded as well as your Discord app, and make sure they are updated. If they are not updated, you might be having some issues. So just make sure that you have both of those and you are logged in and updated on both devices or apps, both apps, sorry. Anyways, so now what we want to go ahead and do is still in the settings, we want to go to account and we want to go to linked and social accounts. So go ahead and select that. And then right here, it's going to go ahead and say not linked under the Discord tab. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and link it. So go ahead and press A, and you could continue on console. It's probably the easiest method. And if you are logged into Discord on, if you are logged into Discord onto your app already, what you could do is I'm going to go ahead and show you. So at the bottom right, you click where your profile is or your settings, and you want to go ahead and scroll down. And then there's an option right here that says scan QR code. Go ahead and click that. And once you do that, you can scan your code. There you go. And then it says, are you trying to log in onto a computer? So click yes. And then on your browser, you're going to see. And then you're pretty much going to allow access for all this stuff. So access your username, all that stuff. But unfortunately, it won't be able to read you a bedtime story. Last time it was buy you a nice seafood dinner. This time it's read you a bedtime story, but it's all right because we're here for Discord. You want to go ahead and click authorize. And once you do that, you want to go ahead and sign in. All right, and there you go. Now on your app, you should be pretty much saying it should be saying you're in, so you could click start talking. And as you can see, my Discord is now linked. So I'm going to also show you some new features that they added that wasn't on there before, which makes Discord a little bit more easier, a little bit more bearable. But anyways, so on your device, you could actually go to any of the channels. Oh, sorry, I don't know why I said that. Any of the channels, and then you could click join voice. Now, when you click join voice, it's pretty much going through the app. But what you want to do is you want to swipe up, and then where you see right here it says transfer to Xbox. You want to go ahead and click that. It's gonna take you to the Xbox app. This is where you want to make sure you're already logged into both things. So once it takes you, then it's going to ask you, do you want to transfer Discord voice onto the Xbox? And then you go ahead and click transfer voice. And as you can see on my Xbox, it automatically opened up Discord. So now you could see here, I am appearing. Unfortunately, there is no other participant to help me out, but you could have options like mute my mic, deafen, switch to game chat, noise suppression, all that good stuff. And you could always disconnect. Now on the app, you could always change channels. So if I want to go to my members channels, I could go join and then transfer voice one more time. And as you can see, it is now changed to the members. Now, the one thing that is new is that you could actually change channels through the actual Xbox. So once you're done with the app, then you pretty much could open the Xbox menu, go down to parties and chats. And where it says Discord, you could join a voice channel. So you could go ahead and click that. And as you could see, my servers are now here. And you could go ahead and join channels that are not logged, pretty much. It's still unfortunate that we cannot join channels that are logged, even though you're in it. So far, it's only showing the unlocked channels. But I mean, either way, it's a little bit better than having to always do it through your phone. And besides that, you're actually able to just join directly through the Xbox. You no longer need a phone. So once you link your Discord, you're pretty much all set. You could close that. As you can see, I'm not in any channel right now. But if I go to parties and chats, I could go ahead and join a specific server. Don't mind the weird names. And there you go. Easy as that. Now, if you do want to join a locked channel, you would most likely have to do it through the phone. If it doesn't pop up here, then you're gonna have to go ahead and transfer that specific channel voice onto your phone, then to the Xbox app, and then it's gonna say transfer voice. You click transfer voice and you're all set. But anyways, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, consider leaving a like, consider subscribing as well, and I'll catch you on the next one. As always, have an amazing day today. Appreciate you all. Peace.